How to solve WhatsApp icon missing from the home screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if you face this kind of issue, first of all, you need to check the app drawer. Open your device app drawer, the full list of installed application. Now tap search bar at top of the screen and you have to search for WhatsApp icon. If found, you need to simply long press the icon and drag it back to your home screen. But if this is not working, then you need to make sure the app is not hidden. For that, you need to launch Settings application and you have to scroll down. Check for privacy option and tap privacy. Choose hide apps and here tap on hidden and here you will see all the list of hidden application. If there is WhatsApp listed here, you need to toggle the button off and on hide WhatsApp application. Other thing what you need to do is simply you have to clear the cache of WhatsApp. Again, open settings application and open apps. Choose app management and then check for WhatsApp on this app management section. If you found it, open it and choose storage uses and clear cache. And then you need to restart your device. Hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Sometimes a simple reboot can refresh the system and resolve these issues. So if the above steps don't work for you, you have to simply reinstall WhatsApp. For that, you have to uninstall WhatsApp. Directly open Play Store. Search for the WhatsApp application from your Play Store or App Store. And here you will see uninstall button. Tap uninstall and select uninstall. And again, you have to reinstall doing the same process. And this will help you for fixing that WhatsApp icon appears on your screen. And after that, you can easily reset home screen layout as well. This will restore all the full app position including WhatsApp. So you need to avoid installing third-party launchers unless necessary. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.